Hey man, what am I looking at here?
This is a KJRaycing VF1 CrossKart. It is 1.5 inch tubing. It's built to specifications of a race series, so it's insanely safe. I used the technical specifications and I built it to where you could use a variety of engines. I built it to where you could use a rear end with Miata axles, and I built it so that you could afford it. As it sits now, this is $3,000. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's a fully caged, fully suspended, independent suspension cross kart. Insane. I know you guys are thinking the $459 isn't enough.
It's enough. I ripped the crap out of this thing and it was perfect. It was spot on.
And right now, I could cut this motor out. I haven't painted it yet, so I could cut this motor out and put a different one in.
True.
Now, if you want something with a little more spirit, you can strap 100 horsepower in here or more. It's a 4-cylinder crotch rocket engine. That's 650 pounds.
Oh God, she's a bullet. This is awesome, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
One more question. Where can you get the plans for this?
You can go to KJRaycing.com. I just dabbled into building websites. I hope you like it. Don't forget the Y. It's KJRaycing.
Perfect. Thank you, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I always love seeing you.